Let me have you go ahead and right click and change your fixed grid now to 8th note. And you can go ahead and just give yourself a steady stream of closed hi-hat. And we can then go and just start deleting every other one. Once you do that, you get that basic formula that's been used for decades for good house, techno, and other forms of club music. Now, once we get a basic pattern like that, another nice thing that we can start to do is we can make copies of it. If you just click on this and right click and say duplicate, it will make a copy right underneath it. I'm going to double click on the copy. I'm going to change the color so I know it's something different. Change it to red. Okay. What I wanted to show you is we can use this pencil tool also to make little fills and variations. So you know how in dance music a lot of the time they'll have that nice kick fill where it winds up. You can do the same thing here. Right now it's a 4 on the floor kick. But look, I can just go ahead and just draw over the top and change this to 8th notes. Once I get that, I'm going to go ahead and right click and change the fixed grid to 16th note. And right here in the middle, I'm just going to click and fill up the second half of it with 16th notes. Listen to this if I wanted to make a little fill or a transition. All right. One last thing I want to show you here in this particular lesson. I'm going to take this first clip and I want to make a copy of it right here. So I can just right click and say copy, click in this slot, paste. Once again, I'll right click and change the color to a new color so I know this one is different. And what I'm going to do here is I want to just use these mouse skills to take that close hi-hat and move it up to here. Open hi-hat. Here's a really cool trick you can do with the mouse. If you want to move an entire row, to select the entire thing instead of having to turn the pencil tool off and click and drag, just go ahead and click right on the drum roll for the appropriate line. That selects everything in that row. And then you can use your up and down arrows on your computer keyboard and just nudge it. So now I've got my 3 clips. Here's the first one, close hi-hat, drum fill, and then open hi-hat. Super simple to get started, but these skills of using your mouse, the pencil tool, being able to draw those different grid values and move notes around, these are things that we're going to do a lot. So go ahead and do a couple warm-ups like that. You can just start with a simple beat, and I'll see you in the next video.